You know that moment when you are about to do something really great, but your mind is telling you to stop? Well, that's exactly what happened to some of the most famous people in the world before they became successful. But it doesn't have to be this way, because even if you feel like giving up, there's always that small voice inside of us that won't let go of our dreams. That small voice is all the motivation you need to get through hard times and achieve anything you want. You just need to listen to it and follow its guidance. And once you do, no one will be able to hold you back from achieving your dreams, just like Mark Zuckerberg, Oprah Winfrey, and Steven Spielberg. Instead, use it as fuel to push you forward. Every small step you take will bring you closer to your goals. So don't be afraid to fail. Just keep moving forward, and you'll eventually reach your destination. You have the ability to achieve your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are capable of amazing things, and all you need is a little bit of courage to get started. A positive mindset is essential to overcoming fear and achieving success. Unknown. This quote reminds us that courage isn't the absence of fear, but rather the strength to move forward despite it. Unknown. This quote encourages us to confront our fears head-on in order to overcome them. It reminds us that fear is often amplified in our minds, and that by approaching our fears with a calm and focused mind, we can diminish their power over us. It encourages us to identify what's more important than our fear and to use that as motivation to keep going. By doing so, we can transform our fear into fuel for success. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're feeling extra inspired, why not subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one? Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to believe in yourself. Take action, be persistent, stay positive, and seek support. You've got this. When things go wrong, look for the silver lining. When you're feeling down, find something to be grateful for. This quote from American humorist Will Rogers encourages us to focus on the present moment and not dwell on the past. This quote from Irish playwright George Bernard Shaw challenges us to take control of our lives and create the person we want to be. It reminds us that we are not limited by our past or our circumstances, and that we have the power to shape our own future. By taking action and pursuing our dreams, we can create the life we want. It reminds us that while our past experiences shape us, they don't define us. By letting go of past mistakes and regrets, we can move forward with confidence and courage. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Steve Jobs. This quote from Apple co-founder Steve Jobs encourages us to keep searching for our passions until we find them. Remember, fear is just a natural response to the unknown. It doesn't have to hold you back from achieving your dreams. With the right mindset and a willingness to take action, you can overcome any fear and achieve anything you set your mind to. It reminds us not to settle for mediocrity and to strive for greatness. To achieve our dreams, we must find joy and fulfillment in what we do. Otherwise, fear and doubt will hold us back. Gratitude and optimism can help you stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. In this video, we'll explore some inspirational stories of famous personalities and how they dealt with their fears. We'll also give you some tips on how to use fear as fuel to push past your obstacles. It's often the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. So don't be afraid to face challenges head-on. Embrace them and use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Reach out to friends, family, or mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement. Sometimes an outside perspective can help you see things in a new light and give you the boost you need to keep going. He could have chosen to play it safe and stayed at his 9-to-5 job. But instead, he took a leap of faith and started Facebook from his dorm room. Oprah Winfrey is another great example of someone who took a risk, and it paid off. She could have been content with her job as a news anchor, but she had bigger dreams. So she took a chance on herself and started her own talk show. The rest is history. Her authenticity, empathy, and willingness to tackle tough subjects head-on have made her the most influential woman in the world. She didn't let anyone hold her back, and she became a self-made billionaire in the process. Now it's worth over $400 billion. It wasn't easy, though. Could have given up when he was rejected from film school. But instead, he used that rejection as fuel to prove them wrong. He went on to direct some of the most iconic films of all time and won numerous awards for his work. He never let anyone hold him back, and his passion for storytelling continues to inspire us today. There were many times when Mark wanted to give up, but he pushed through the tough times and came out on top. And as a result, he changed the world forever. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to take the first step towards your dreams. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg is a perfect example of someone who took a risk, and it paid off big time. Oprah Winfrey, the queen of talk shows. Steven Spielberg, the legendary director. Steven Spielberg is a true inspiration for anyone who wants to pursue their dreams. So how can we use these inspirational stories to overcome our own fears and achieve our dreams? Well, here are a few tips. No. 1. Believe in yourself. The first step to overcoming fear is to believe in yourself. No. 2. Take action. Now that you believe in yourself, it's time to take action. Don't let fear hold you back. Number 3. Be persistent. When things get tough, don't give up. Keep going. Persistence is key to achieving success. Number 4. Stay positive. And no. 5. Seek support. Now that you know how to use these inspirational stories to overcome your own fears, let's take a look at some famous quotes about fear and how to overcome it. Quote 1. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Quote number 2. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the assessment that something was more important than fear. Quote number 3. If you want to conquer fear, do those things that frighten you with a calm mind. Quote 4. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Will Rogers. Quote 5. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. George Bernard Shaw. And there you have it, 5 powerful quotes about fear and how to overcome it. We hope this video has inspired you to take the first step towards your dreams.